Iceland. 100 fascinating facts about the land of fire and Iceland. Iceland is one of the best places to witness the northern lights starting from mid-September. Kedua, during summer, nights never fully darken. You can wake up at midnight and still see a bright sky. It is called the midnight sun. Ketiga, winter brings the opposite. Long, dead days known as the polar night. 4. You'll see reindeer sweaters, Santa-themed clothes, and cheerful decorations everywhere. Icelanders absolutely love Christmas. Kelima, this is what Iceland looks like deep in winter straight out of a fantasy film. Keenam, the island's very first name was Snowland, given by Viking sailor Nederdyr. 7. Reykjavik, the capital, is the northernmost capital city on Earth. Ke-8, Iceland is famously known as the land of fire and the ice because 11% of it is covered by glaciers and 30% by lava fields. 9. After Great Britain, Iceland is the second largest island in Europe. Ke-10. These are the traditional Icelandic turf houses built partly underground for warmth. Ke-11. Parents cannot name their children anything they want. Names must come from an official list of about 2,5 approved options. Ke-12. Icelandic surnames come from the first name of the father or mother, plus son or daughter. 13. Hello in Icelandic sounds like hello. Thank you is tak. Yes is J. No more is nay. And goodbye is plus. Ke-14. Common Mala names include Jn, Sigurður, and Guðmundur for females, Guðrún, Anna, and Kristinn. Ke-15. Icelanders are among the tallest people in the world. Ke-16. The famous Great Geysir can shoot boiling water up to 80 meters into the air. Ke-17. Iceland has under 400,000 people but more than 600,000 sheep. Ke-18. Living costs are high. Even basic meals and drinks can be expensive. 19. Elves and hidden people are a part of Icelandic folklore. When people don't believe in them but they also don't deny their existence. 20. 4 Icelandic holidays are traditionally connected to elves, especially Christmas and New Year's Eve. 21. On New Year's Eve, Icelanders light candles to help guide wandering elves. Ke-22. Iceland is great for whale watching. Many species live around its shores. Ke-23. The average monthly salary is among the highest in the world. Ke-24. A traditional dish called hakal is made of fermented shark and has a very strong ammonia smell. Ke-25. Beer was banned for decades and only became legal again in ke-1989. Ke-26. The Blue Lagoon is Iceland's most famous geothermal spa, rich in silica and sulfur. Ke-27. Puffins live all around Iceland and yes, they are also eaten as a traditional food. Ke-28. The Westman Islands host the world's largest puffin colony. Ke-29. Icelandic horses are a unique breed, small and sturdy. Ke-30. At Silfrafisher, you can dive between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Ke-31. Ingvellir National Park is where Iceland's parliament was founded in the year ke-930. Ke-32. Main waterfalls in Iceland end with the word fast, which means waterfall. Ke-33. Dettifoss is Europe's most powerful waterfall by volume. Ke-34. Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach has giant basalt columns and a legend about Troas turned to stone. Ke-35. Iceland's most famous YouTubers include the band Kaleo and the photographer Sorelle Amor. Ke-36. Hafrbj Ensign the mountain from Game of Thrones is Icelandic. Ke-37. Several Icelandic actresses are internationally known. Ke-38. Iceland was the first country to make it illegal to pay women less than men. Ke-39. Hitchhiking is common, but in remote areas you may wait a long time. Ke-40. Icelanders work some of the longest hours in Europe, around 43,5 hours per week. 41. Iceland has one of the highest rates of Miss World winners per capita. Ke-42. The Icelandic language has over 100 words for different types of wine. Ke-43. Icelandic folklore includes the terrifying Giantess Geirla, who eats misbehaving children. Ke-44. According to legend, you must wear new clothes on Christmas Eve or the Yochat will eat you. Ke-45. Icelanders live long lives around 80-83 years on average. Ke-46. The average age in Iceland is around 38 years. Ke-47. Iceland's tap water is among the purest in the world. Ke-58. Almost everyone speaks English in addition to Icelandic. Ke-49. Genetic studies show that early Icelandic settlers were mostly Nordic men and Celtic women. Ke-50. Iceland is the only country in the world with zero ants. Ke-51. It sits on the mid-Atlantic ridge, so the island is full of volcanoes. Ke-52. Geologically, half the island is on the American plate and the half on the European plate. Ke-53. Despite having only 120 professional footballers, Iceland beat England in Euro ke-2016. Ke-54. Iceland is the only NATO country without a standing army. Ke-55. The word duvet comes from an Icelandic eider duck whose feathers were used for bedding. Ke-56. Iceland's roads are numbered by quality, the higher the number, the rougher the road. Ke-57. At Diamond Beach, chunks of ice sparkle like jewels along the shore. Ke-58. Iceland is one of the most book-loving nations in the world. Ke-59. Hallgrímskirkja, Reykjavik's Lutheran Church, was inspired by cooling lava formations. Ke-60. Only about 23% of Iceland has plant life. The rest is ice, lava, or rock. 61. Some Icelandic rivers flow warm because they are heated by geothermal sources. Ke-62. Hiking on Esley-Maskell Glacier lets you walk over ice and the hardened lava. Ke-63. Ice caves in Iceland glow with surreal shades of white and the bright blue. Ke-64. The country uses geothermal energy to power much of its electricity. Ke-65. Iceland has excellent internet even in remote areas. Ke-66. Jules Verne used an Icelandic volcano as inspiration for Journey to the Center of the Earth. Ke-7. Parents often leave babies in strollers outside cafes to nap in the corridor as a normal Nordic tradition. Ke-68. The national flower is a white 8-petaled Dryas holtasleigh. Ke-69. The national animal is the Gyrfalcon. Ke-70. Esfei is a traditional dish made from a boiled sheep's head. Ke-71. Icelanders love ice cream, especially a mix called braggarefood with candies and the toppings. Ke-72. A legend says a Viking hid treasure behind Eskagafoss waterfall. 73. Certain beaches are known for seal watching. Ke-74. Natural hot pools like Polurin are free and maintained by local towns. Ke-75. The Westfjords Heritage Museum showcases Iceland's historical life. Ke-76. The famous Sun Voyager sculpture in Reykjavik represents a dreamlike Viking ship. Ke-77. Laugavegur is the city's oldest and the longest shopping street. Ke-78. New waterfalls sometimes appear when glaciers melt. Ke-79. Perlan Museum includes an indoor ice cave and a huge glass dome. Ke-80. Although Iceland plays men's sports, its national sport is handball. Ke-81. Only 7 species of wildland mammals live in Iceland. Ke-82. There are no more trains or subways. People travel by bus, car, or on foot. Ke-83. Cat liver pudding is a traditional dish called katmagar. Ke-84. Iceland's iconic drink is brennivn and nicknamed Black Death. Ke-85. Keeping snakes, lizards, and the turtles as pets is banned. Ke-86. Boxing was illegal until ke-2002. Ke-87. Iceland's highest peak is Vanadalshnúkur at 2.109 meters. Ke-88. Iceland has no more mosquitoes, only a single preserved specimen in a museum. Ke-89. Iceland has the most Nobel Prizes per capita because of its tiny population. Ke-90. The cliffs of Eltrabjeg host millions of seabirds. Ke-91. Iceland even grows bananas in geothermal greenhouses. Ke-92. Vatnajökull is Europe's largest glacier by volume. Ke-93. Kids place their shoes by the window to receive gifts from 13 Yulad before Christmas. Ke-94. The country keeps a complete genetic and the family history database of its population. Ke-95. Harpa Concert Hall is made of glass panels that reflect the sea and the sky. Ke-96. Iceland has 3 national parks, including Europe's largest. Ke-97. There are more cars than people, about 1,5 vehicles per resident. Ke-98. Road construction may stop if people believe elf homes might be disturbed. Ke-99. The oldest wooden building in Iceland was built in ke-1700.